Are you tired of managing dozens of expensive tools just to run your business? Imagine having everything you need in one simple platform. That's the power of Empire Pro Tools. You see, starting or scaling a business shouldn't mean juggling 11 different tools. That's 11 different logins and endless automation trying to glue it all together. And worse, when something breaks, no one supports each other. Don't let the technology stop you from starting or scaling your dream business. With Empire Pro Tools, you get all of these powerful marketing and sales tools all in one platform. One login, one system, no headaches. You get everything you need to help you scale your business effortlessly, saving you time, money, and stress. You get all of the tools to help you make money online effortlessly, along with powerful automations to save you a ton of time. Plus, now you have the foundation to add AI chatbots and AI voice receptionists. And the best part of our membership is we'll handle the whole setup for you. We'll import your data, build or migrate your website, set up everything for you, and train you on how to use the app. Plus, we're available Monday through Friday for any tech questions or business tips on how to grow. Let us handle the technology so you can focus on serving your customers. You'll get a mobile-friendly website that's tailored to your brand. Schedule appointments with your customers with easy calendar booking. You can manage the whole business on the go anytime, anywhere using the mobile app. Automatically send out text and email reminders and notifications, plus promotions. Manage all of your leads, contacts, sales, and reoccurring clients all in a sales pipeline. And the system can help you scale with powerful automations to save you time and manual work. Plus, for an additional charge, you can set up AI chatbots both for customer service and for lead generation on your website. These chatbots know everything about your business and are available to work 24/7, serving your customers. And lastly, the most powerful feature is an AI voice receptionist that's available 24/7 to answer any call, answer your customer questions, and book appointments. But just note that the AI chatbots and AI voice receptionists are an additional charge. Get started with Empire Pro Tools with a free 7-day trial. Click below to get started.